Good day, everyone. My name is Toyosi Labeodon. I'm the principal immigration consultant of TrueLink Immigration Services. I'm here today to talk about the surprise express entry draw that was held on the 13th of February 2021. Many of us woke up and we heard the big news that over 27,000 people were invited through an express entry draw. Why is this actually very important, or why did it come to us as a surprise? This is the first time ever that you have that large number of people being invited at once. Most times you have like 4,000 or like 5,000 people being invited, but this time around they invited 27,332 people to apply for Canada's permanent residence. One other thing about it that was very unique about it was the cutoff mark was actually the lowest ever cutoff used. That was 75. Previously, the cutoff that has been used is like 400 plus and above or thereabouts. So the cutoff mark came to 75. It was really very shocking. Yeah, really very shocking. But anyway, it's good news. Good news for people who wants to come to Canada. Good news for those who are actually already in Canada. Good news for those who want to study in Canada. Good news for those who also want to work in Canada. This draw was specific to people who live in Canada, work in Canada, or have studied in Canada, because the draw was under the Canadian Experience class. And what's the requirement for this? You must have had 1 year of work experience in Canada for you to be eligible to apply through that program. So what they just did was, they just invited almost everybody, 27,332 people were invited, and the lowest cutoff ever in the history of express entry. Express entry started in 2015, and this is the first time, that's like 5 years plus, or is it 6 years now, 2015 till now. 6 years or thereabouts, the cutoff mark came this low. What does this imply, or what are the implications of this? It shows that Canada is committed to meeting up our targets for this year's immigration. This year, Canada has made the intention to bring in over 400,000 immigrants, and they're working towards it. I'm sure they could not meet their target for last year, 2020, most likely because of the pandemic. But this year, they don't want it to look like that, and that's why they are taking steps to ensure that anything they can do to ensure that they use to meet up that target for this year, they actually do it. And that's why you can see them giving invites to over 27,000 people to apply for permanent residence, something that has never happened before in the history of express entry or invitations being given to candidates. So I said it earlier on that Canada is committed to meeting up its target for this year. And another thing of this is, if you are planning to migrate to Canada, just get your documents ready and go into all the pools that are available. That's it. Go into all available pools. For example, nobody ever thought the cutoff mark would come down low to as low as 75. Imagine. But if you are not in the pool, there's nothing that will happen. You will not be taken. If you are there and the cutoff mark comes down low, fine. You've gotten the invites. All you just need to do is submit. I remember sometimes, maybe like 2 years ago, the cutoff mark came to, 2 or 3 years ago, thereabout, the cutoff mark came to very low also. It came to like 413 or thereabout then. And many people got invited, many people that never thought they could be invited got the invite. So all the things that you need to do, all the documents you need to get ready, it's better for you to work on them now and go into all available pools that you can go into. So that if they bring down the cutoff mark again, you can always be sure that you'll be selected. If you have not submitted your profile into any of those pools, no matter if they bring down the cutoff mark to 5, nobody will select you. So one of the things you need to do right now is start getting all your documents ready, all the documents that you need to apply, that you need to use to apply to Canada. Get all of them ready so that you can actually apply. And if your cutoff mark is low, there are things that you can actually do to improve your score. There are so many things that you can do. You can go into the pool, then keep working on those things that can make your comprehensive ranking score to go high. If you work on those things, at least you're already in the pool. If the cutoff mark comes down, fine, you will be selected. If it doesn't come down, You're already working on the things that you have to do to make your profile more competitive. And once you have done that, you can always update your profile. So if you're not yet in any pool and you plan to come to Canada, please, I beg you, go and get your documents ready and just submit it. It's better. If you need help with submitting it, we can be of help. I'm a licensed immigration consultant in Canada. I'm also the principal immigration consultant of TrueLink Immigration Services. We have a head office in Edmonton, Canada, and we have a branch office in Ibadan, Nigeria. So if you need help with that, we can actually help you with it. We are licensed, we know all these things, we have assisted so many people to Canada, and we can also be of help to you. So that's another thing that I think might happen. If they could do a draw this last for Canadian Experience class, they might also do the same thing for Federal Skilled Trade or Federal Skilled Worker class. Yes, you can't predict. Canada needs people. The economy of Canada is very reliant on immigrants. And right now, many of those working in the economy in Canada, many of them are getting to the age of retirement. In the next 5 to 10 years, many of the workers in Canada will retire. They need people to take over those jobs. And Canada will plan. Canada is not like many other countries where they don't have any plan. They just leave it to default that, well, okay, when they get to that bridge, they know how to cross it. No, they are planning towards. They've seen all that. And that's why they are putting steps in place so that people can be in here, they can learn from those people before they leave and understand the process and continue the work. And that's why they need people. So the economy of Canada is very dependent on immigration. So right now, immigration is not going to stop. No matter, that's why the pandemic or all the issues we are having right now, people are not working, government is paying people for staying at home so that people can be safe. That will not stop immigration. If it's going to stop it, government will not actually invite over 27,000 plus people to apply. They will tell you, oh, we're not doing anything again. No, stop immigration, stop everything. Let those in Canada go to work first. But no, they're not doing that. They're taking steps to ensure that people come in as permanent residents and they stay in Canada. So you can see that immigration is key to the economy of Canada. If it's not key, they will not do that. Many other countries that are a bit close to Canada or that are similar to Canada, they have stopped immigration. They stopped it totally. They stopped accepting people. They stopped all their programs. But Canada did not stop. In fact, they are even doing much more, times 5, times 6 of the invite they were giving previously. That's what they are doing right now. So, just like I said earlier on, if you are yet to go into any of the available pools, please get your documents ready, get all of them ready and go into the pool. And if you need help with getting all those documents together, I can be of help. Yes, I can be of help. So just contact me. You can see contact details on the screen. Contact me and I'll really be very happy to assist you. I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I also like you to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. When you do that, you will actually be one of the first to get to know about any information that we're actually pushing out. We send a lot of updates on Canada immigration on our Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube channel. So if you subscribe to our YouTube and follow us on Instagram and Facebook, you will always be the first to get to know about all this. And there's so many free information that we give out. Yeah, so it's good that you subscribe. Just go to all those channels, like our page, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I'm sure that any update that we give, fresh update like this one, you will always be the first to get to know about it.